Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about duplicated page title pages, and what this means is that these are sets of page titles that are duplicated across multiple pages. The simplest form of this is two pages with the same page title. You can see that there's a drop down menu here that shows you a description of this. Having duplicate page titles quite often is an indication of duplicate content on a site, and as each page should target its own unique set of keywords, it's usually beneficial for each page title to be targeted specifically to the page's target keywords. Now you'll notice this is the summary tab of our SEO reporting feature. There's quite a bit of data in here. I'll just minimize some of it so that we can see a little bit more clearly. This can always be accessed from the side menu by clicking the reporting link, and you'll automatically be taken through to the summary page. Now from here you can select different sites from the same project, or select different projects and different sites. And you can also select previous crawls and compare them to other crawls that you've done to see if there's any changes. Now with duplicate page title sets, in this case we have 8. So if we click on this number, this will show us all 8 page titles that have been duplicated. Now bear in mind that this is across all pages, so they're not just canonical pages or indexable pages. They could be indexable or canonical pages. If a page title was duplicated across a page, 2 pages, one of which wasn't canonical and wasn't indexable, as is often the case, that's not really what we would consider to be an error. So in this case you can see that there's various pages that have the same page title that could all benefit from being updated. Now you can download this to CSV by clicking the download CSV button, although we also have a range of other features to download this data, which would include the actual the length of the metadata itself, the page title or whatever. Now duplicate page title sets are really sets of page titles. This number 8 could mean that you have 8 pages that all have the same page title. It could mean that you have 2 sets of 4 pages that have the same page title. You have to really look at that data to understand what that means yourself. But you can also go to the site dashboards, which you can navigate to from the site link within the breadcrumbs at the top here. Go to the SEO audit section, and from here you can click the metadata tab, and that will give you a nice visual breakdown of any of the page titles that are missing or too long or too short, duplicated and so forth. You can also download the duplicate sets. You can download the raw data as a CSV, and you can also download the chart in any of the formats that you want in order to include them in any report that you may want to build for a client or for your boss. So that's probably everything that you need to know about duplicate page title sets for the time being. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.